done one of these in a long time, but I have a good reason to. Because I'll show you the crazy ass weather that we're having here today. It is the end of March. And look at this. It's snowing. And rain. Snow. Why? Mother Nature is... I don't know what the hell is up with her today. PMSing probably. Back inside, it's warm. Oh, say hi to my dog Sophie. Say hi, Sophie. Say hi, Sophie. Sophie, say hi. Nah, she doesn't want to just... I'm just waiting for my mom to get home. I feel like crap today, but got a new shirt yesterday. Actually got a couple, but this is what I'm wearing right now. Just watching America's Next Top Model. I'm bored out of my mind. I really don't have anything else to talk about, so peace.